Hey, Dr. Goodman, this is Zach again. This is the video I was referring to earlier. I just want to take the time to do an analysis on your website to see what's kind of going on, and I want to show you a few things that can be done better to really push you to the top of Google for Waco. This video is totally complimentary, so if you want to take my advice and apply it to your website yourself, I'm okay with that. I just enjoy having the opportunity to at least help out a business owner. But also, please feel free to reach out to me after this video if you like what you hear and you want to move forward with me. So the first thing I want to go over is your content. And from talking to you earlier, it sounds like you have a pretty good understanding of how content plays a role in Google's eyes whenever it comes to popularity in search engines. And looking at your page, whoever did the web design, they did a really good job. I like the layout. I like how easy it is for people to really figure out what it is that y'all target as a business, which obviously looking at this is being a chiropractor. Now the second thing I want to take a look at is the number of words that you have on your page. So you're running close to 1,900 words, which Google likes to see at least 1,500. So y'all are doing good here, whereas your competition, Allied Chiropractic, is running about 1,400. So you're beating them in the quantity race. Now the next thing we want to take a look at are those keywords, and you're running 177 organic keywords that you're ranking for, whereas Allied's at 262. So there's some catching up to do here in order to really get in front of them. And we can also take a look at the organic traffic here, which is how many visitors they're having per month to their website. So they're sitting at about 189, whereas y'all are sitting at 32. And this is evident on Google because I can type in chiropractor Waco, Texas. And the Joint is the first one that pops up, which they seem to be a bigger company that is being pushed to the top because they have so many locations in different cities. But they're still not getting that much traffic every month. Whereas Allied Chiropractic is the one following that for a chiropractor in Waco, Texas. And I'm looking down through this page, and I'm not seeing Heart of Texas anywhere on this page. And really, Google has done studies to show that most people don't go to the second page or the third page to look for what they're searching for. But we'll go ahead and take a look at the second page to see if y'all are on here. Yep, there you are, number 11. So you're at the top of the second page. So you really want to be pushed at least to the first page. And my goal is to get you to that number 1 spot. With that being said, I want to kind of move on into the next thing that I wanted to talk about today, and those are going to be citations in the Google Map Pack. So this right here is the Google Map Pack, and you see number 1 here is Cast Chiropractic. Now, the way that Cast Chiropractic is able to obtain this position is through what are called citations. So I did a quick breakdown of citations between Heart of Texas Chiropractic and then your 2 competitors. So you're only running 10 citations right now, and Cast Chiropractic's running 60. They're at the top of the game in the area for that Google Map Pack, only running 60 citations. And really, you want to be at 200 to 300 citations just so you're just totally killing the competition and kicking everybody out, and you're in that number 1 spot for that Map Pack, so people are more likely to click on you. That being said, I want to move on to the third thing that I want to talk about today, and those are backlinks. So essentially, a backlink is where one website on the internet is pointing to another website, telling Google whenever someone searches for a specific industry that the website being pointed to is the one with the authority. But whenever it comes to backlinks, you have good quality and low quality backlinks. And you have what's called a ratio. It's your trust ratio to your citation flow, which that's really getting deep into it. I could explain that in the future. But I want to go back to Ahrefs and kind of take a look at your backlinks. So you have 64 backlinks, which is a good number, but only 18 referring domains. So right now your backlink to domain ratio is about 4 to 1. And that's not necessarily spammy in Google's eyes, but they do want to see a better ratio there. They want to see more domains to your backlinks. So like we go over here to Allied Chiropractic, and you can see that they're running about a 2 to 1. So this is closer to that ratio that they want to see, but they need to be adding backlinks. So your backlink number is much better than theirs, but the ratio is worse. So it's kind of take one, leave the other type situation. But with that being said, like I said, if you like what you heard today, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help out, and I mean, you can sit down. I'd like to sit down with you and kind of hear what your goals are for your business and to see kind of where you would want to take this. I know from talking to you earlier, you want to be at the number 1 spot on Google in your area. I'm more than happy to help out with that. But once again, my name is Zach. You can call me at 903-715-7876. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great day.